But let's see what happens. I do have to take into consideration my fibs because I am a fib trader. So I know that minus 27 could be a potential stopping point right here. So I'm going to notate that and put an alert to be on the safe side. I'll check price action and see what happens. We are approaching our TP. Let's see what happens. And we are going to TP1. Can she do it? Let's see. When I tell you, this seems like the longest time it's taking to get to my TP, I may just take my money, but I'm trying to trust my analysis. Remember, this is TP1, so what will happen is I'll either shave off some of my profits depending on momentum, or I'll just exit. If it has a ton of momentum, then I'll continue to hold till it gets to my 257, 258 area. So I'm just waiting, just trying to document this. I don't do this often, but I'm trying to do it for educational purposes. We have 56 seconds till the 1 hour candle close. Bam, TP1. I went ahead and adjusted my stop loss. So I'm waiting to see how it reacts to this area. I have exited my position.